Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. In today's tutorial, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to write a cover letter for attending a trade fair. This letter is a formal request sent to the Trade Fair Organizing Committee, showing your interest in joining the event and representing your company or organization. Whether you're attending to explore new opportunities, network with industry professionals, or learn about the latest trends, this letter helps you present your purpose clearly and professionally. In this tutorial, we'll go through every part of the letter. I'll explain what to include, why it matters, and how each section helps make your application stronger. So let's get started. Sender information. At the very top of your letter, you'll include your personal and professional details. This part identifies you as the sender and establishes your position and affiliation. It includes your name, your position or title, company or organization name, address, city, state, ZIP code, email address, phone number. This section is very important because it gives the committee a clear picture of who you are and where you're from. For example, if you're writing as a company representative, mention your exact role, such as marketing manager, business analyst, or export coordinator. Adding your company name immediately connects you to the industry and shows your professional standing. It's also a good idea to double-check your email and phone number to ensure they're correct, since that's how the committee will contact you about your application. Date, month, day, year. Next, after your contact details, comes the date. This shows when the letter was written and submitted. The date helps the committee track submissions and keep records organized. You can write it in a simple formal format like this: December 29th, 2025. Using the full month and year keeps the letter looking professional and easy to read. Recipient information. Now let's move on to the recipient's details. This is where you formally address the organizing body of the trade fair. It should look like this: the Trade Fair Organizing Committee, trade fair name, trade fair address or venue, city, state, ZIP code. This part ensures your letter is directed to the correct department or committee responsible for managing participants. It's a small but important detail that demonstrates professionalism and attention to formality. Subject line. Next comes the subject line, which summarizes the purpose of your letter in one short sentence. The subject line for this letter is Subject, Application to attend trade fair name. This line is very important because it tells the reader right away what your letter is about. It's formal, specific, and sets the context for the rest of your message. Always make sure to include the trade fair's official name in the subject so the reader knows exactly which event you're referring to. Salutation. Now let's move to the salutation or greeting. This is how you politely open your letter to the committee. In the template, it's written as, "Dear members of the organizing committee, this is a respectful and professional way to address the recipients." If you don't know the names of the specific committee members, this greeting works perfectly. It maintains formality and is suitable for all business-related correspondence. Opening paragraph, expressing interest. The opening paragraph is where you express your interest in attending the trade fair. This is your introduction, the part that tells the reader what event you want to attend and why it's important. From the template it reads, "I am writing to express my interest in attending the trade fair name, which will be held from start date to end date at venue or city. As a your position at your company or organization name, I believe that attending this event will provide a valuable opportunity to explore new industry trends, connect with potential partners, and gain insights into the latest innovations within the industry-type sector." This paragraph is crucial because it immediately gives context: who you are, what event you want to attend, and what you hope to gain from it. When writing this section, make sure to mention the event name, dates, and location exactly as in the official announcement. This shows that your application is specific and well prepared. Also, be sure to connect your position or role to the value of the trade fair. For instance, if you're in marketing, explain how attending will help you learn about new branding trends or networking opportunities. This helps the committee understand your motivation and relevance. Second paragraph, describing your company and goals. Next, we move to the second paragraph, where you introduce your company or organization and explain how participating in the trade fair aligns with your goals. This section provides context about your business activities and professional interests. The template says, "Our company has been actively involved in," briefly describe your company's products or services or market activities. And participation in this trade fair will allow us to evaluate emerging market opportunities and strengthen our global network. I am particularly interested in engaging with exhibitors and attending seminars related to specific area of interest, which are highly relevant to our business goals. This paragraph is all about showing connection and purpose. You're not just attending for the sake of it, you're attending because it aligns with your organization's vision and objectives. You should describe briefly what your company does, whether it's manufacturing, exporting, providing technology services, or working in the fashion industry. Explaining this helps the committee see that your participation isn't random, it's strategic. You're there to learn, network, and grow. Mentioning your specific areas of interest, such as seminars or industry sessions, also demonstrates that you've reviewed the event schedule and are serious about your engagement. Third paragraph, highlighting the benefits of attendance. In the third paragraph, you'll expand on the benefits of attending the trade fair and what you hope to accomplish. This part strengthens your application by showing that your attendance can create meaningful outcomes for your company and the wider industry. The template states, moreover, the event will serve as a platform to exchange ideas, observe competitors' advancements, and identify potential collaborations that could benefit both our company and the wider industry. I am confident that the knowledge and connections gained through this trade fair will significantly contribute to our organizational growth and strategic planning. This paragraph matters because it communicates your intentions beyond personal gain. It emphasizes learning, collaboration, and industry contribution. You're showing that your attendance has broader benefits, not just for your company, but also for the field as a whole. When you write this part, focus on what you can bring back from the fair: new ideas, business connections, or strategic insights. These details prove that your participation will have a lasting impact. Fourth paragraph, mentioning attachments. The fourth paragraph is where you inform the committee about the documents you've attached to support your application. This helps ensure that your submission is complete and professional. In the template it says, "Please find attached my registration details and company profile for your reference. I would be honored to attend and represent your company or organization name at this year's event." This section is important because trade fair applications often require supporting materials like registration forms, business profiles, or proof of company affiliation. Always mention what you've attached, so the committee knows exactly what to expect. It also reinforces your professionalism and organization. Closing paragraph, expressing gratitude. Now let's move to the final paragraph, where you close your letter with gratitude and a positive outlook. The closing reads, "Thank you very much for considering my application. I look forward to your positive response and to the opportunity to participate in this distinguished trade fair." This is a short but powerful ending. It's polite, appreciative, and forward-looking. By expressing your hope for a positive response, you show confidence without sounding demanding. This is exactly the kind of tone you want to maintain in formal letters: respectful yet self-assured. Complimentary close and signature. Finally, we end the letter with the closing section, which includes your formal sign-off, signature, and identification details. In the template, it looks like this: sincerely, your signature, your full name, your position or title, company or organization name. This part might seem simple, but it's essential. It adds a professional finish to your letter and reinforces who you are. If you're submitting a printed letter, make sure to sign above your typed name. If it's an email, you can use a digital signature or a clear typed name with your title and organization. And that wraps up our detailed guide on how to write a cover letter for attending a trade fair. Remember, each section plays an important role, from introducing yourself and your company to explaining why attending the event matters and how it aligns with your goals. By following this structure, you'll be able to write a professional and convincing letter that clearly communicates your purpose and enthusiasm to the trade fair organizers. Thank you so much for watching today's tutorial. I hope this step-by-step explanation helped you understand how to structure and write your own trade fair cover letter with confidence. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss new writing tutorials from Writing Practices. Feel free to leave your questions or topic suggestions in the comments below. I always enjoy hearing from you. Until next time, keep improving your writing, and I'll see you in the next video on Writing Practices.